sale, but it was on yesterday evening, so
Okay.
we'll see.
Might still find some things.
Yeah, and if you do, it's probably cheap.
Wouldn't be the first time we showed up at a sale on the second day and found some pretty incredible things.
It's true.
So, yeah.
Yeah, and maybe people bring more stuff on the second day, like, who knows?
True, yeah. Like the good stuff.
Yeah, well, hopefully. So
Maybe I take a left here and park right here.
Sure. That looks perfect. Nice job finding this spot.
You just happen to notice it there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right on.
You ready?
I am ready.
Let's go.
Now, do you go in the side?
Last time we
went in the side door. Yeah, I think so. Isn't it a beautiful church, though?
It is.
Thank you. Okay. So I guess we'll just start
Sure.
here.
Do you think the books are for sale back there?
No. No, I don't think that. Oh, there's books.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the same room they were in last time.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you want me to come in there and just carry on? Or?
Yeah, I'll find you.
Okay.
No books.
This is Pat. She's a fan.
Oh, hi, Pat. Nice to meet you.
I got you from Taco, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
He's so good to us. He's good to us with his shout outs and stuff.
You didn't do with somebody right in my hometown.
yeah.
Oh, it's
well.
nice to see you guys.
Yeah, you too. Happy hunting.
Happy same.
Yeah.
We'll probably see each other again.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah. See you later. You want the UV or do you still have it?
I've still got it.
Okay. We should tool around and check out the glassware, like all that stuff.
Nothing. No reaction.
Too bad. It's all clear.
Yeah.
There won't be any clear glass with
No.
that, I don't think. Yeah, it's not fun.
That is fun.
But yeah, she just walked right up and said, "Hi, Karen." Yeah, and I just said hi because I thought, oh, I obviously know her.
No.
No.
She knows you though.
Yeah.
You're
She
famous.
said, well, I said to myself, if I ever saw them, I'm gonna say hi. Like, how sweet is that? Yeah. What's this?
What?
One can never have too many cats.
Oh.
Well,
Oh boy.
you can. No.
I've seen a show called Hoarders.
Oh.
She had too many cats.
Yep.
I gotta say.
Isn't this cute? Cream and sugar.
Oh yeah.
I like it, but I cannot start another collection. Check them all. That's my motto. See, okay. Are they all engraved? Yeah. So these are made by Burke's though, but they're plated.
Oh. So the Burke's is a brand, like a serious brand name here. It's like the equivalent of Tiffany's in Canada.
But
But they're not solid silver, they're just plated.
no. So I don't know.
I think we gotta,
Pass.
yeah.
I don't procrastinate. I reschedule.
That sounds about right.
Yeah. Coffee cups are funny.
there another one?
Citrus bergamot.
Another citrus bergamot.
This one will be good though, I think. Yeah, I think it could be good. No?
Yeah.
I guess it depends how much these things are, but...
Weird. They're running all this bergamot stuff.
Because I was thinking about it.
Yeah. It's glass too.
Why is it a popcorn?
I don't know. It
Jug.
looks like a big coffee.
But there's no spout.
I know. It's glass.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you make it on your stove in this.
Oh, maybe you do.
Yeah, I don't
That's
know.
a good call.
Oh, I remember you guys.
Yeah.
Dealer.
You bet.
Okay, what are you buying today?
I just like it because it's monogrammed,
Oh.
but it's not anything good.
And I got necklaces on the wall.
Okay.
I need about 2 more tables.
You do? You sure have a lot of jewelry. Wow.
Yeah, and I've got a lot that's not even out.
Harmonica.
Look at that.
How much are your earrings
You play a little tune.
Isn't that cute?
What did you say, Matthew?
What would I do with it though?
Little harmonica.
Yeah.
It's actually the right name brand too, the Horner, which is a very well-known name brand of harmonica.
That could be vintage. That
It actually might be
only
like to
25
find your
cents.
note.
Oh yeah, maybe.
You know what I mean? Like a pitch finder.
Yeah.
There's one here that looks like a tiger eye.
Yeah, it does.
What you got? Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, a little harmonica on there.
Have you got it?
Thank you. I'll just stick it in my bag here.
then this-
No, I think you pay for that over
Okay,
there. Yeah.
okay.
The jewelry you pay for here just because it's so easy to
Right.
pocket, I think.
Can we see that book?
No,
Oh.
I bought it yesterday.
Oh, what is
Can we
it?
see it just to look at it?
It's a map of Ohio
Oh,
and the settlers.
wow,
Look at
it's
that.
huge.
That's great.
I'm going to donate it to the Genealogy Society,
Oh, okay.
but it's
Wow.
It's really-
Isn't that neat?
it gives all the settlers
Wow.
and whatnot that were in that era. And we've got a lot of people looking for,
It's quite a find.
see,
Yeah.
settlers.
Yeah.
County of Clay.
Neat.
Goes in there.
Yeah. Yeah. But you see, there's Benson and all of the original settlers.
That's really neat.
Neat. Yeah, that's
You
really.
got a real good find here.
Yeah, that's a real gem.
I think I
For
did
$10
quite-
bucks. Oh my goodness.
This thing is worth
Did you get that here?
Wow.
just propped up over there, and I grabbed it.
Wow.
It'll be at the Genealogy Society
Okay.
on 11th.
That is funny.
Straw glasses.
Yeah. Oh, there's one for both of us.
Nice. Oh, Care Bears record. That might be worth
I know, that's what I
Wow.
was just seeing. I just saw it on the
I'm
side.
thinking so.
Is that what it is? Yeah.
Wow, look
I
at
can
that.
glue that back. Oh,
Yeah, so that comes right off.
that's okay. I can glue that back on.
Oh, wow.
Do you
It's
think
like brand new.
Does it work? Is it battery? How do you?
I'm sure it's a plug-in.
Where's the plug?
Probably on the other side. Yeah, there it is.
Oh yeah. So it's probably works.
Yeah, I think
in the box.
I think that's a find, babe.
Okay.
I think that's a good vintage. You make some money on that.
Let's see how much it is.
Yeah. I can't see it being more than a couple bucks. Good eye spotting that. I walked right by it.
Well, you can't see everything.
I like to take money. That's it?
That's it.
That's it. Is there a price on this and all?
I didn't see one.
Oh, we couldn't find one. Hoping only a few bucks or something.
I don't know.
7? Would that work?
What do you think?
5?
Okay. And what's this? I don't even know.
Room spray, I think.
50 cents?
Sure.
Okay.
There you go.
Isn't that neat, eh?
Yeah, it's cute.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Look at this, right in the wall.
Oh yeah,
It's
see?
safe. Pretty neat.
Phonograph. Yeah, in the box.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
We'll have to look that one up on eBay, see what that's worth.
No barcode on this one.
Yeah, it's Canadian too. It's got the maple leaf on it.
Yeah, made in Canada.
Yeah. So that might make it a little more collectible even.
Plays 33 to 3rd and 45 RPM records.
Yeah, 45s are the little ones.
I know.
Yeah, most record players do that. 33 and 45s.
Yeah.
Probably that poison you've been giving me is starting to kick in.
Finally.
Oh,
You alright?
finally been buying the good stuff. Woo!
You making old man noises now? That's so gross. I don't know that you can buy a 5-speed anymore. That's the millennial anti-theft device.
Yeah.
It's a picture of a standard.
Yeah, that is true.
That is so funny.